Welcome to part 2 of string. Let's now get the length of the string. Still out G equals to morning. So if you have the morning, have G. For us to get the length of this string, we use length function. This length function have brings length of G, length of G is going to be 12. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 12 character space is there. Then we can also use what we call, we can also use string method, because Python have string method that we can use to work on string. Let's say, for example, we have this G, we have it here, and we try to add it space. Let's say here, let's say we have space here, the white space, and we want to remove the white space. So we said we use what we call stripe method to do the job. Stripe method to do the job. What we do here, we use this stripe method to do the job. So print bracket G dot stripe into bracket, then we print it out. Good morning. You see, it has removed the white space. It has removed this space there. Then we can also convert case. So what we have here, we have this guy. We just have to change this to lowercase. We have lowercase and take it back to uppercase and take it to uppercase. We use upper. You see, everything's turned back to upper. We can also replace a character, or we can replace a string. Here we use this as replace with arguments, replace with the argument inside, two arguments here. Let's say I want to replace wherever I have G with cool. See, we have replaced that. So we can also check for a phrase in a string. Maybe we have a long text that we want to work with. Let's say we have welcome notes equals to Golly good day Shola, welcome. So Canada. Alright, if you want to get, or we want to see maybe Cam is inside this string, what we do is, let's print it out first. Yeah, what we have. Print. Welcome. Notes. We print out welcome notes. This welcome note to show that Cam is inside. What we do now is we have, let's say we have us equals to count in welcome notes. If it's found in welcome notes, it will do what? Watch it for us. It will print false for me. Means you print this value, you print it out for me. If you found it, count in welcome notes. It's true. So it's a test condition. Is count found in welcome note true or false? So if it is true, you print true. If it is false, let's try the false. If this is found, let's say we have done. If it's found there, it's false. Now, string concatenation. Let's declare. Let's say we have name. Let's say we have greet equals to welcome. So here, right? Then we run this. Then we have name equals to, I write, so fella. Right? We can combine these two together. Let's say we now have greeting. We have greeting equals to greet plus, use a plus sign, we call it concatenate, greet name. So we're going to have this here. Then we have print greeting. So we can have a small space here. Let's add space. Have a small space. So it's that. Go ahead, make sure your spellings are correct. That's a welcome to New York to fella. Here, the string format we use we use this particular method called format, and for us to use that, we place the pass argument in a placeholder within the string. Let's go ahead like this. Let's say we have item. I have item equals to, I love apple 2 weeks. Alright? Then I also declare something. I have price equals to 300. So by running item shown, price shown. Alright, that's correct. So what I want to do, let's say I want to say something like please kindly buy me apple trees worth of season price. Let's say I want to state my order equals to, look at it, please help me buy, alright, please help me buy, I will put a braces, grace help me buy the first braces, buy, look at it. When I say it that way inside the code, let me run this so that we can see the first thing that we want to do. And I said print bracket. I've said all that my order, alright, my order dot format into bracket. Then I put the item, right? To print out this guy. You see, please help me by our come here, the operations. By please help me by what? Apple. Most times we use this in application like an online cat. Somebody order something and you have to create a template of the instruction that automatically comes up, sir. So we can on the buy it will start say, oh, thank you for purchasing something. Alright. So let's kind of say we have another thing that we want to say here. Let's say we now have we want to use the two variables. The two variables that we have used. Two variables that we have used before. So what we do is please help me to buy Apple worth of, alright, that's $3 worth of $300, alright, from there, and I'll put my braces. So that count inside here, I put another element, comma, price. So it should be in the order of placement. Apple will be here, then price will be paid. So we can run it now, get the answer from instruction C. Please help me buy Apple shoe is worth of $300. Now we can also use escape character with this thing you just done now. So what we do is, remember, so inside a character that are illegal in the string, use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. Example of an illegal character is a double quote inside a string that is surrounded by a double quote. Alright? So if you want to have something like this, for example, so let's look at this. Please help me to buy cheaper brand Apple worth of this. So you know that this, if you run this, there is no return of error. If you run it on this, now we're running even as an error here. Alright? So for us to override this, for us to escape this code, what we do is that we place a backslash at the beginning, a backslash at the end here, then we can now run it and see we're running. Good. So that is how to actually use escape to work with us.